Hey everybody, Kyle here and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be going through the process of making money online. I'm going to be showing you how it works and how Wealthy Affiliate and our platforms and services are going to help you achieve success within the online world following a 3-step process. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the process, and then I'm going to give you real life examples as to what this looks like. So when I come back here, let's jump into the process itself, which includes 3 very simple steps. All right, so here we are. These are the 3 steps to your success in an online business. Step number 1, you need to choose a business idea or a niche. That is the direction of your business. Those are the people that you are going to be helping. Those are the people that you're going to be able to make product and service recommendations to. And those are the people that you are going to be building your business around. So that is the concept. In my case, I chose youth basketball and helping parents and kids learn how to play basketball better. That is the audience I chose. You likely chose something different, and that is going to be the direction of your business. The next step, once you have your business, your website, and your foundation, you are going to be building traffic. So that is going to be attracting your audience to your website and to your business. So the same as any storefront, a shopping store in New York City. In order to make money from that store, you need foot traffic. You need people coming into your business. That is the same within the online world. In order to generate revenue, you need people coming to your business. So that is the next focus as we move through the training and after we have your initial foundation set out, is to build traffic. And there are many ways to do that. Again, there's 5.5 billion people online. Those people are very active across many different platforms all day. So there's an abundance of traffic out there. You just need to know how to find it and how to get yourself in front of it. And that is what we teach here at Wealthy Affiliate. Then the next is to make money. Now there's many ways to make money. One of the core focuses here at Wealthy Affiliate is affiliate marketing. So that allows you to promote basically any product and service and to earn a commission in exchange for driving people to that business. So if I wanted to promote Nike shoes, I could join the Nike affiliate program, and then I could get special affiliate links that I put on my website. And if someone clicks on that and buys something, I earn revenue. So that's how affiliate marketing works. But there's many other ways to make money online as well. You can put ads on your website. You can sell your own products and services. You can sell courses. You can email market. You can collect email leads and build funnels. So there's many different ways that you can make money. We teach those here at Wealthy Affiliate as well. This, though, is the 3-step process. Oftentimes people overcomplicate things and they think that there's too many moving pieces. And because of that, they get overwhelmed, they get confused, and oftentimes give up. So I want you to always refer back to this as the process of creating success online. This is what worked 22 years ago when I started out, and this is what will work 22 years from now as I continue to operate within the online world. You have a business, a niche and an audience that you're working with, you get traffic, and there's going to always be many different ways you can do that. And then you make money once you have an audience in front of you. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump out of here and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'm going to give you some live examples of the process and what that looks like and what it will look like for you as you move forward. Okay, so here I am back within my business hub. And if I scroll down here, you are going to see the revenue opportunities section. Now, within this section, there are many different products and services and programs that you are going to be able to promote as you move forward. So this is on the affiliate marketing side of things. These are the programs that are going to be ones that you join and that you can make money with by promoting their services. You can see Nike basketball here at the top, earn 2 to 5% commission. So if I sell, you know, a $200 pair of shoes, I'm going to earn $10. If someone ends up spending $500 on Nike and then they fill up their shopping cart, I'm going to earn $25. So that is a sort of a decent commission rate. Commissions will range from usually 1% to 2% to 75%, depending on the product or service. So, you know, some products and services will pay many hundreds of dollars. I'm just going to go to the next section here. Basketball apparel, usually clothing and apparel usually pays 5 to 10% commissions. Digital products and digital services usually 50% plus oftentimes. So there is a lot of opportunity, and here's Wealthy Affiliate. This is our affiliate program that you automatically have access to. So if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate to others, you can access Wealthy Affiliate from within any hub, and you can get your affiliate link. You can share this with others. If you refer someone to join Wealthy Affiliate and to start their business, and you can promote it for free, you can earn commissions if they upgrade. And these range from 40 to 50% and $20 to $1,200 recurring. So you can see it adds up very quickly. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to a basketball website that I actually have, where I have a product review on that website just to showcase affiliate marketing and how that works. So I have this website, I'm building it out, related to basketball, another website related to basketball. And on this website, I am reviewing a particular product that helps you jump higher. So it's a jump program. If I click on this website here, it's going to take me over to their website, in which I will earn a commission if someone ends up buying this program. Now, I think this program pays about $50 commission for sale. So if someone buys their product, which is like, I think it's $70 or $80, I earn a $50 commission. So if I earn 5 of those a day, I'm already up to $7,500 per month in commissions. There's millions and millions of basketball players in the world, and all of them are looking for ways to jump higher. And this product is actually a really good product to help them do that. So if anyone clicks on any of these links, these are my affiliate links. I have joined this affiliate program. They click over, they buy, I get paid commissions. So that is what the process looks like on the affiliate marketing side. And then on the traffic side, here is a Google search, VertShock review. If I scroll down, you're gonna find my website is ranked. This is one way of many to get traffic. So this is through Google or search engine optimization. I can pay for ads in Google. I can get traffic from TikTok, from Facebook, from Instagram, from all the social media platforms, from LinkedIn, from YouTube. There is a ton of opportunity there as well. So we are going to teach you how to get traffic, how to monetize the traffic, and we are going to provide you with the tools and platforms to make that happen and the education to make that happen here within Wealthy Affiliate. So that is the make money process. That is what it looks like when you are actually, implementing affiliate links, and that is what you are going to learn as you move through the training. So I think it's in the phase 4, we are going to be getting deep into affiliate marketing. These are available to Premium Plus. You can see there is a lot of training over here on the left. But as you start to build your foundation, there are many different types of traffic that you can get. If you move to the traffic tab here, you're going to see there's all sorts of ways that you can drive traffic to your business. Traffic leads to revenue. So foundation and choosing a direction, to getting traffic as the second step, to monetizing or making money off that traffic. That's a 3-step process. I hope this has offered a lot of clarity for you. If you have any questions about anything that I have discussed here, jump into the comments to the left or down below if you're on mobile. You have completed lesson number 3. You can check that off. In the next step, we are going to be publishing our very first post on our website. Our post is going to lead to the formation of the foundation of our business. It can also lead to traffic, and it can also lead to us being able to promote products and services. Without content, we don't necessarily have any business. So it is a key and critical component, and we are going to be jumping into that next and using some of our AI side tech to create really high quality content. So we'll see you in the next lesson. And yeah, if you have any questions, put them in the comments area and we'll be happy to help you out. Cheers.